Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Another busy day at the unit and the yard today. Loads going on in preparation for the ramp on Saturday and the doors on Monday. As you can see here, Claire has absolutely smashed the whole exterior of the yard. Absolute blinder there, darling, well done. So let's crack on. Right guys, well, a bit more done today. Tom's ingenious idea for the ramp for our guides.
It'll work though, it'll work.
How are you feeling about it all, mate?
Yeah, all good. I just can't wait to get this on and get the doors on, and then it's paint the floor, isn't it?
Yeah, paint the floor, sort the back wall. But this is, excuse me, a big deal.
The door are the main ones for us.
Yeah, so doors are hopefully going in Monday. Me and Tom are hopefully, well, I'm just going to do as I'm told, but we're getting the ramp sorted. We've got cement mixer coming on Saturday morning, so that'll be getting all thrown together. And yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along. It's just been too hot today.
Yeah.
You can see me missus as well. You see, she's painted the whole place. Apart from that bit, I'm not having her up there. There we go, guys. Another daily update. We will hopefully be getting back to normal BMW content as soon as we're up and running. But this is consuming a lot of our time at the minute. But as soon as this is done in the next week or two, we're going to be back to normal BM stuff. Yeah.
I've got a filter as well.
Yeah.
So
Air filter.
Yeah, got an air filter.
Yeah.
That's ready to go.
K&N or pipe across.
So as soon as we've either got a dry weekend or
You've got you can just.
I can crack on with
As soon as the concrete's gone off and the doors are on, you can technically drive in, and even if the back wall's not done because you're not doing any polishing, you know.
No, the floor needs to be painted first.
Yeah, no.
I want to get any oil on it before we paint it.
So yeah, we're getting there. You see, more art. Tom's got more art to come. We're just planning on getting rid of the white space with BMW art.
Right.
Create a nice collage on this wall as well. Sort that bit of floor out. The rest of it's solid. This back wall is in desperate need, but obviously at the minute with everything that's going on at the front, it looks terrible. But it's getting there. It's getting there. Be a workable space by winter.
By next weekend, I reckon.
I reckon by next weekend. Well, to be fair, we need to get this back wall all sorted out. But saying that, we could probably just paint the floor.
Got the wood off the door,
Well, that's what Reese was saying. He was saying we can just use, he's going to use that wood to patch that, but he obviously, that's somebody else's property beyond there, and you just can't get behind the back.
Yeah, well, it's fair to do, isn't it?
But obviously, the main goal at the minute is the doors and the ramp. That's the biggie. That then makes it a usable space for our BMs. Yeah, internet cable fitted in today. That just needs routing round. Probably have a telly on the back wall there. Tom's got a load of Sky Bond.
Yeah.
So, whiteboard. So we can attack this with a felt pen, can't we?
Yeah, with a whiteboard marker.
Yep, right on, wipe off. So we can draw some pictures. Or write stuff that we're going to do with the channel and stuff. Still need to take this wood burner out because that is absolutely rotten, and as you can see there's a bit of daylight there, so you get the odd drip. So that is no use for us really whatsoever. Maybe get Tom, he makes his pizza ovens, to concoct a wood burner, but do we actually really need a wood burner, do you reckon, Tom?
We'll see what the first winter's like, eh?
But obviously this area, this was where we were looking at putting the ramp, so the wood burner is going to be right in the way. So obviously you back in, up the ramp, onto the ramp, and obviously I'm going to be in that far corner.
Well, it's going to be that space, isn't it? It's really the whole detail.
Yeah. So I've got a raw deal of swinging it in. But we're going to have all the tools, the bench, the cupboards and whatever else on the back wall.
That's fine for now, isn't it?
Yeah, for now. Be different once it's all clear. But I say, time consuming, but it's starting to take shape. Things are starting to come together now. We'll be able to have 330D fan meets down here, won't we, Tom?
Yeah, bigger yard, don't they?
Bigger yard, barbecue, because obviously after hours this place is dead and I am the neighbour and I know all my neighbours, I'm sound with them, so if any of you are in the northwest we can have a little meet and a get together, grand opening. Yeah, do subscribers cars, bring your car down. That's what we need, Tom, rolling road right in the middle.
Yeah, I hope for that.
Ramp on this side, rolling road, but then you'd have to take the whole side off.
Yeah. I don't know if we did detailing.
Exactly, but then we'd be doing rolling road. I'd be retiring from detailing and paint correction. Yeah. Hey, that's an idea, isn't it? Reece, can we extend the building?
Yeah, we're just moving ahead of ourselves.
I know, at the minute it's all new. So it's just a case of getting it all sorted, clean, usable working space where Tom can do his mechanical side of things and I can work in the dry and out of the sun. So there we go, guys. Things are coming along. Hopefully the channel will be back to normal content soon. Sorry if some of you are finding it boring, like, but this it's taking up, you know, time where we could be doing videos and stuff out in the cars. We really do need to concentrate on getting this done because obviously end of the month, got to pay rent. So this needs to be done. But we're getting there, we're making progress. So there we go. And we're looking forward to getting back to normal content as well. We've got loads of ideas. What do you think, Tom? Looking forward to getting back to normal content.
Yeah, no, I am. Definitely.
Car reviews.
Yeah, well,
This is all a bit different.
Get back to doing my car, like.
I know.
I want to get it.
I know.
You know, I want to get it. Gotta get mats and get all
Yeah.
the bits on it.
But obviously this was a big move. Yeah, the E30. So we're getting there. Hopefully within the next 2 weeks, this will be completely different to it is now. You know, the doors, they're practically made. They're going on Monday, all being well. Ramp Saturday. That'll be completely different. So there we go, guys. Remember, like and subscribe. Follow the journey. We'll catch you in the next one.
See you later.